want to show you some of the changes that I made on my 2022 Cfmoto 300Ss. I took off all the factory graphics and put my own on. Nothing wrong with the way the bike looked before, it just wasn't really my color. I also did the wheel tape. So I cut that out on my vinyl cutter. Got my RobSolutely right here on the fairing. Wanted to find something to really keep my camera stable. So I bought a ram mount and I bolted it onto the bottom of the bolt of the stock mirror. And I just kind of mounted my Insta360 camera on top of that. I didn't like the clear windscreen. I wanted to tint it, and then I found this hex tint. It's a vinyl wrap that I put on there, looks pretty good. Loving the bike. Again, it's a 2022 Cfmoto 300Ss. And we're gonna go for a ride and see how that camera works out for us right now. Cfmoto motorcycles are new to the USA, new brand of motorcycles for the USA, but you know, you guys know that they've been making their ATVs and their side-by-sides for a while. People seem pretty happy with the product. They've come a long way. This bike seems like it's pretty good quality. I think they're going to be really popular. The price isn't too bad if you find a dealer that's willing to give you a fair price anyway, and I'm fortunate that I did. So I want to give a shout out to Carnes Performance in Mechanicsburg, Pennsylvania, which is down near Harrisburg. I actually paid $1,500 less for this bike than two other Pennsylvania dealers wanted to charge me out the door. So I thought that was a heck of a savings. They also have other Cfmotos too. You know, there's the naked version of this, which is the 300NK. And I don't really think people have to worry so much about Cfmoto quality. I mean, you can get bad quality on anything, but they want to be a big game player in the USA in the sport bike industry, and they've brought some models over that are awesome. The reviews are really good. This isn't a cheap quality bike, you know, it's a high quality bike. Because it is a new model and a new brand of motorcycle in the USA, we don't have a whole lot of accessories or mods available as of right now anyway, but they're coming out. There's more and more that I see, you know, just about every day I see something different. I think the big thing I want to upgrade in the future is going to be the exhaust. You know, in some ways having a quiet exhaust is good for moto vlogging. There's cheaper options, no-name exhausts that are out there that you can purchase online. I mean, you can get those for under $100, and maybe that's good enough. But I like something that is, you know, I'm looking for like a Yoshimura or a Leo Vinci or something like that. Love to put a Yoshi exhaust on here. I think that would be awesome. Traveling down the back roads. Man, this thing is good going up a hill, I'll tell you that. You know, I ride little bikes because I like riding on roads like this, and they're awesome for roads like this. They're lightweight. They have plenty of power to go up these hills. They take the turns well. I think this bike's going to get like 80 miles per gallon, somewhere around there. Can't beat that. So I guess we got this far, so that means we are heading up to the lake. We're going to Rose Valley Lake in Gamble Township, Pennsylvania. One of my favorite places. I've had my Grom up here in the video. I had my Duke 200 up here in the video. So it's time to get my Cfmoto up here too. I got to get used to the riding position on this. You know, on the Duke I sat upright, and I'm still kind of sitting upright on this. You know, this is a more lean forward type of bike, and I like that position. Bump. I like that position a lot, you know, leaning forward. You get up more speed that way. The windscreen kind of helps push the air off of me. So I got to get my comfortable position as I get more used to this bike. So here we are, Rose Valley Lake. You guys that have subscribed to my channel, you've seen this lake before. I've had it on many times. There's hardly anybody out here today. One little boat there, nobody on this side. The last time we were out here, I got attacked by a caterpillar. Kind of a joke. Beautiful area to ride. Whoa, deer in the road, see that? Well, you don't want them to hit you, and you don't want to hit them. And what do we got up here? Somebody who mowed and put grass in the middle of the road. What the heck? A lot of bikes come up here. Grass can be treacherous. And if you run into a situation like this, you can get mad and angry, but the most important thing is you take your time as you drive over it so that you don't want to wreck. Go up to this dock. Bump, 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 bump. You know what? These bumps aren't as bad on this. Whoop, there's one bump. These bumps aren't as bad as when I bump, 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 bump. This bike kind of takes the bumps a little bit better than bump. A little bit better than the Duke did. Bump again. Little boats. Beautiful little area. Very nice. Beautiful day to be out on the water. Cute little dog. What was that, a Labradoodle? Love dogs. I got a Yorkie at home named CJ. Awesome little dog. Hey, there's an eagle. See that? There's an eagle in the tree. I wish I had my main camera up. That's awesome. My brother would come here and he would see eagles all the time. He had a boat and he would get out there and he would send me a picture of an eagle. And I would come up here and try to get pictures. You know, I have great cameras. I have a 2000 millimeter Nikon lens that would have captured an eagle like that. A lot of times I'll put a backpack on and carry my cameras with me in case. Today I didn't do it. I wasn't really sure that I was coming up here today. That's why. Man, I would have loved to zoom in and get that. It looked like a young eagle. America. All right, we're leaving the lake now. Bye-bye, Rose Valley Lake. Thanks for showing me some deer and an eagle today. I appreciate it. Anyway, guys, that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Ride safe. I forget what my tagline was going to be. Ride safe and enjoy life or something like that. Why not? Ride safe and enjoy life. Bye-bye.